Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Before you click buy, here is the quick buyer-friendly breakdown of the wall shelves. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Heavy-duty structure built with 25mm thickened rust-resistant steel, this wardrobe rack supports up to 500 pounds. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Double large capacity featuring a Y-shaped double hanging rod with 22-inch spacing and adjustable width, 44 to 66 it. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Smooth rolling and lockable wheels equipped with 4 durable 3-inch wheels, this rolling clothes rack glides. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are wall storage, cleaner setup, and home decor. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. One buyer summed it up well, saying it brief content visible, double tap to read full content. My simple verdict: the wall shelves looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.